this banana. And then I am gonna offer this slime, and it's donut scented texture dye clay. And then I'm gonna be like, I don't want that banana. And I'm gonna probably want, I want some more. So I'm gonna add. And then Mara's gonna have to add something. But if Mara thinks that's not good enough for my banana, then she's gonna decline. And then we just take our stuff and keep it. But if we both agree that that this is fair, then we're gonna accept. And then we get the stuff. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Who goes first? Hey guys, now we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Okay, Margot has to offer me something. I'm super scared. Okay, can I feel them? No. Okay, I'm gonna trade
until you accept.
Margot this simple dimple. It has numbers on one side and then counting in Spanish on the other side. It's a mini one, so I feel like it fits her mini poppets. I'm gonna say add actually. D9. Now Margot has to do a dare. Okay, Margot, your dare is that you have to go make my bed. I'm so excited for this.
Okay, time to make Claire's bed. Claire, come see your bed.
Guys, I guess Margot actually did make my bed. It's so cute. And it's a PBJ, and its name is Rocky. Oh. A bracelet, a mini poppet, and a cat needle. Guys, do you think I should be offering my PBJ? Would you offer for this? Can I feel? Margot, look at this. Look at this cat needle. There's like hair all over it. Do you guys see it? It's in the portal, hairy. I'm gonna say add. I say add. I'm not trading for that. You gotta add. Why would I offer that? A banana. Let me feel that banana. Okay. Very stretchy. I'm gonna say accept. Here you go. Guys, would you offer for this? Let's show what I got. Okay, I got this cute little banana, a mini poppet. It's actually really good on both sides. A hairy cat needle that's growing its whole hair. And its little bracelet. She's touching my new fidgets. And Margot, what did you get?
A PPJ.
A little raccoon named Rocky. Okay, what round is it, Margot?
It is round number 3.
Okay, and Margot, what are you going to be trading me this round? And I am pretty scared because, I don't know. I'm very scared. And I don't want to do a dare.
You're gonna have to.
A poppet. It's a little cute rainbow.
I'll take that.
It's mini pops, so like they're not huge.
Like your thumb is.
Yeah, they're like little pinky pops. Pinky pop, pinky pop, pinky pop, pinky pop, pinky pop, pinky pop. And I will be trading this. It has numbers, and then it has numbers in Spanish. And okay, a little Aaron's thinking putty. I'm gonna add a poppet. Be right back. A mini poppet. So guys, she's gonna trade me a pinky popper because it's as big as your pinky, not as your thumb. And I'm gonna trade her a normal size pops, a little Aaron's putty, and a simple dimple. Would you guys accept? I'm denying. I'm denying.
Yes, that was my plan.
What am I supposed to do with a pinky popper? Let me show you guys. So this is a pinky popper, and this is the normal size pops.
This is the thumb.
This is pinky. I think everybody knows that.
This is the pinky. That's the thumb.
She doesn't know it. Now, let's find out what my dare is. Margot, what is my dare?
The next YouTube video has to be You Can't Say No to Margot.
And I'm going to be trading Margot this time. And I'm going to trade her. I know Margot loves Nido, so I'm going to trade her a jumbo Nido. Look at it. Has some brown spots.
A jumbo bow poppet. Even the middle size of the bow is
I'm
a
gonna
jumbo
say
poppet.
add. I want a hefty round. This is no. I have one of those in purple. Okay, you're Pinky Popper. Add. I don't want a Pinky Popper. Oh, here it is. A donut. I'm gonna say, maybe just give me your jumbo poppet and I'll accept. That's what she has to do for this. Guys, you can say that's cheating. I don't really know, but I just give her a jumbo poppet for this. Because Marco likes Nidos and I like poppets.
Which one?
Can I see the two?
The keyboard or Hello Kitty?
I like the keyboard because I already have a jumbo poppet. Which one would you do? The keyboard? No, I want the jumbo poppet. The jumbo Hello Kitty poppet. Which one would you do? The keyboard or the Hello Kitty? The jumbo poppet has arrived. Let's see it.
The one that
I know how to juggle too. Guys, look, I get 2 Hello Kitty poppets. I'm gonna accept.
I'm gonna add.
Add? Okay, I'm gonna give her 2 things. I'm gonna give her,
No, I only want one.
these, and then
Accept.
Okay. And I'm gonna take these.
More the merrier.
The more the merrier. And I got a jumbo and a little Hello Kitty. Oh, the Hello Kitty family. The Hello Kitty family.
Not even the song comment down below.
Bath Time Land had these. Oh, what happened to Bath Time Land? What happened to poor Bath Time Land? He does not look okay. Did you guys see that? It's like brown.
Last time that I took a shower with him, I had lots of dirt on me.
Bath Time Land does not look okay, but okay. I'm gonna be trading Great Donut Scent Acceptor. I'm gonna say add. I don't want a crusty old Bath Time Land. Add. Should I accept? Because this is donut scented and I will get a donut. You know what's fun to do with this one? Take off that little thing and just squish it. Okay, I'm gonna say accept. Stop playing with my donut. That was a very good round, I would say. So let's move on to the final round. Okay. The final round, I'm gonna be giving something to Margot, and this is gonna be a good round to watch. So get your popcorn, go get some snacks, and go get some water, because, yeah, just go get some stuff. We'll be waiting.
And go download new games.
Okay, this is the final round. Now let me get my stuff.
And download YouTube when we're waiting. And tell your friends to watch this video. Tell everyone to watch this video.
Oh, wasn't me.
What was that noise?
Okay, guys, I hope you got your popcorn and your snacks and your water, because here's my jumbo poppet, and I'm going to be trading it. Oh, girl, you can be trading that?
Summertime topic.
Okay, let's compare the sizes. Sizes are not that good, girl. I want a hefty round. This is my jumbo pocket, girl.
Okay, you want to have a hefty round? And trading this one out or this one. Or this one.
This one. But it's not big enough. I mean,
You took my big one.
yes, I did. I mean, I want more. I'm gonna say add. I'm gonna say add.
I'm gonna say
Add. Let's see if it's big enough. Okay, putting that one down. That one. Okay. Okay. One more mini poppet, guys, because look, I can't hold it up, but I don't know. See? I am going to say accept. Accept! This just saved Margot's life, because I would have had to do a day if Margot didn't put this on. And Margot just did it for a jumbo poppet, and I thought all of this. Now, guys, we're going to see who got the more fidgets and who got the better fidget. So let's get started. Oh, yeah. In a mini poppet, a Hello Kitty poppet, a Dirty Lamb poppet, a Neato kitty, and a banana, and a bracelet, a strawberry, a mini poppet,
a strawberry. That's a
pineapple.
watermelon.
Oh. And a jumbo boat, well, a poppet boat,
Strawberry.
another little strawberry,
A keyboard.
and a keyboard. Or would you rather have Margot's little collection?
A big jumbo Nita. A PPJ. And a ginormous puppet.
So would you rather have like a big needle? Like would you rather have like all small little needles or a one big one, one jumbo one and not a lot, and one little PBJ? Which one would you rather have? Comment on our latest Instagram, Whale Family Official post. Which one would you rather have? Bye guys!